be a very handy car on the slippery roads today in the rain. And a great day. Let's don't forget tonight, Targa Fest in the city.
Four left late. With a 50 into a 3 right gravel. 3 right gravel. Whoa, gravel. Gravel, oh shit. And a 6 left opens. .200 flying finish. Woo! Oh mate, you are a legend. Oh. Left, 50, don't cut, into your turn 1 right, turn 1 right. Over brow, 6 right late over brow. Oh. And it's well done, 6 left, becoming 8. 6 left, becoming 8. And right, 50, 9 left long.
Having fun!
9 left wrong, 7 right, 7. Turn 2 right, turn 2 right drop, turn 2 right drop. Day 4, stage 4, Aldina. Oh, that's brilliant. And we're going to go around the 99 bends. We've got a few characters with us. Yeehaw! Woohoo! 3 left late. 3 left late. Tightens into it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Into a 4 right. Tightens into a 3. 4 right. Or we blown engine.
Don't know what I've done. Either way, we've had a mechanical, mate, and it's all over, I think.
Day 6, mate, back in. Good luck. Day 6, stage 1, tinderbox.